Winners for the 12 to 13 years old Open Committee Boys, we have for bronze, Arrogante Carl Jan from Team Kyodan. Second bronze, Cassini Gary from Team Kyodan. Silver, we have Romel de la Cruz. Romel de la Cruz Jr. from Team BDK ISBF. And for gold, we have Justin Robina from Team CKD Shoshinkan International. Again, volleyball. Please proceed to the awarding area. Calling all the winners for the 12 to 13 years old Open Committee Boys, please proceed to the awarding area. Also calling all the attention of all the medalists for the 16 to 17 years old Open Committee girls to please proceed to the awarding area. Again, calling all the attention of all the winners for the 16 to 17 Open Committee girls. We have for bronze, Cherise Malai